Imagine waking up in the middle of the night, your leg twisted in pain, cramping so hard it feels like you'll never move it again. Yeah, I've been there. Leg cramps aren't just annoying. They can zap your energy, ruin your workout, and honestly steal your peace of mind. But did you know the foods you eat could be triggering those cramps and harming your circulation? Let's take control together. I'm about to share the top 12 dangerous foods that could be sabotaging your leg health so you can stop those cramps right now. Alright, first up, salty snacks. Chips, pretzels, and processed foods are loaded with sodium. Too much salt throws off your body's electrolyte balance, making cramps way more likely. Next, sugary drinks. Sodas and energy drinks don't just spike your blood sugar, they can dehydrate you, leaving your muscles screaming for relief. Number 3, deli meats. All those nitrates and preservatives, they narrow your blood vessels, slowing circulation down to a crawl. 4, deep fried foods. Greasy fries and fried chicken are delicious, but they coat your arteries with unhealthy fats, making it harder for blood to reach your legs. Let's not forget about alcohol. 1 or 2 drinks might feel harmless, but alcohol dehydrates your body and messes with your mineral levels. 6, cheese. It's delicious, but high in saturated fat, which can stiffen your arteries over time. Here comes number 7, white bread and pastries. These refined carbs spike your blood sugar and lead to inflammation, making your muscles more prone to cramping. 8, canned soups. They're secretly loaded with sodium, just like those chips we talked about. 9, pickles. I know, pickles are tangy and fun, but the salt content is off the charts. 10, instant noodles. Quick to make but stuffed with sodium and artificial additives. Number 11, bacon and sausage. They're full of saturated fat and preservatives, making them a circulation nightmare. And finally, number 12, energy bars. Not all, but many are packed with sugar and sodium, disguised as healthy. So what should you do instead? Focus on whole foods, leafy greens, bananas, nuts, and plenty of water. Your legs will thank you, trust me. Remember, what you eat shapes how you feel. Make one small change today. Your body and your future self will be grateful. Have you ever struggled with leg cramps or poor circulation? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story and what's helped you. If this helped you or someone you love, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to boost your vitality. Thanks for watching and take care of those legs.